So we are coming here straight away because the main part is being done in chapter 10. So I'm coming straight away here. And this topic, this chapter is again all about the vocabulary. You have not got any important grammar topic here. There is one grammar topic, but it's not important. We don't make any use of it. Just because आपके book में है, so you have to read this only thing. That's the only reason behind it. Otherwise, it's not important. So what you need to do here is the chapter 11 name starts with the Jacke gefällt mir. So Jacke is jacket. Gefällt mir, it's a dative verb. Yeah, gefallen. So in this chapter, we'll be learning some dative verbs and we'll see that how do we make sentences when dative verbs, when we use dative verbs. Yeah, so this is one topic that you have here. Otherwise, it's all about the vocabulary of clothing. Yeah, belt, jacket, t-shirt. You will be learning about Kleidung. So you can see the first topic. Yeah, Überkleidung expression. Kleidung matlab hota hai clothes. So let's see how do we talk about our Kleidung. So here, there is the title says the Verabredung. Verabredung matlab hota hai meeting. Yeah, so the meeting, and it can be a official meeting, it can be an unofficial meeting. Matlab, it can be a meeting to a friend, or it can be a meeting to a boss or employee. It can be either formal or informal. So there is, you have to see the comic. There is a comic given up there. That comic A, B, C, and then you have some down as well. I think, yeah, 6. So you have 6 comics in total. So your work is you have to see all the comics and you have to read all the sentences that you have here. And you have to tell me out of these sentences, which sentences passes with which comic. Which sentences passes with which comic. That you have to tell me. Welche Aussage passt wo? Which statement passes where? That's the topic you have to do. So see the comic, read the sentences, and let me know which sentences passes with which picture. Yeah. So once you do this, you can get a few names of the clothing. For example, t-shirt, rock. Then you have hemd. Then you have again here hose. So these are all the name of the Kleidungs. So once you do this, I'll give you a list of vocabulary based on the clothing. And then after we can do that. So do it, match it with the correct sentences, and then we can discuss. 5 minutes would be enough, I think.
Which page is this? Which page is this? Hello? 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 Which page is this?
Page 126.
Okay.
Gemacht oder noch Zeit brauchen Sie? Sana? Noch Zeit? Ashwin, Revati, how much more time?
Yeah, gemacht.
Gemacht, okay. So, shall we discuss then?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's come to the picture number 1, the Komik Nummer 1 oder A. So was denken Sie? Was ist hier? Welchen Satz?
Yeah. Nummer A und Nummer 5.
Lesen Sie bitte den Satz auch, Ashwin.
Das macht 119 Euro bitte.
Picture Nummer A, wo ist wer?
No, it's number A.
A.
Yeah.
Hold on. Das macht. So you're talking about picture number A. Barton, let me see the picture number A.